What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to customize the brand new Galaxy Watch 6. This is the 44mm version, but this will work across any size of Galaxy Watch 6. And it will also work for the Galaxy Watch 4, or more like it would be the same for the Galaxy Watch 4, 5, and the 6, and even like the classic and the pro versions of those watches. So let's get started. Shout out to Kinch Eyewax 3 for suggesting that I do this video. I really enjoy making videos for you guys based on what you guys want to see. And this one is on how to customize the Galaxy Watch 6. The Galaxy Watch 6, but again, like I said, it works with previous smartwatches. So I'm going to be going over two different ways you can customize this watch. So the first way is going to be off the watch, and then the second way is going to be off the phone. So I'm going to start with off the watch. So you're going to press and, so to change the wallpaper, you are going to press and hold on the lock, or on the, home screen, on the wallpaper. Just press and hold. And then you have a bunch of these different options that you can choose from, and then you can scroll all the way using the touch bezel, or the digital touch bezel, to when you see add watch faces. Then you're going to click on that and then scroll through the wallpapers just to see which one that you like the best. So I'm going to go with Info Brick. So you tap on it and then it will apply it. So you could either just hit the home button or just tap on it for it to show, what you want, or you could hit customize, and you can customize a bunch of stuff on it. So you can choose what type of color you like, but I do like this color. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that green. I like this blue color. Actually, no, let me zoom in just a tad. There you go. Just so it's a little bit easier for me to film. And then you can, just by swiping, over, you can do the clock font. So there's a bunch of new ones. I do like that one. I think we're going to stick with this one. Then you can just keep swiping over to just customize your different things, and this will work with every single watch face. Some may vary on what you can customize and the limit to how you can customize it, but it's just the same concept for every single watch face. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything to the way that I like it. Okay, and when you are done, you're just going to hit the home button, which is this top one right here, and then it will go to your home screen and you can see what you customized. And again, just to see a list of all the apps or the wallpapers that you customized, you can just scroll and just see all the ones that you've done and just select whichever one you want. So that is how you customize the watch face on the Galaxy Watch 6, or again, I should just say Galaxy Watch. And the next thing I'm going to do is how to customize the, what are these called, tiles? I think these are called tiles. Yeah, tiles, which show different, things. It shows your sleep, which I got really bad sleep last night because I had to wake up early, and I had a play that I was in yesterday, so I was up late packing up and just help put away everything for that, so that's why I got such bad sleep. And then it just gives you, you can customize it to whatever you want, but you can just get a bunch of different applications. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can only have 15 tiles on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove this heartbeat one, or whatever. So you're just going to hit add tile, and then you can just scroll through all of these just to see which one that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the one that I had before, if I can find it. I think I passed it. Yeah, I passed it. Let me see. Here it is. Heart rate. So that you can press and hold, or you could just tap it, and then you can drop it wherever you want. And that little blue dot is where it's going to be dropped. So say I want it here, and I'm going to drop it, and it's going to go right there. And then you can just either press on the widget to go, or you could hit the home button, which will just go home. Or you could press the back little button and it will also go. So you could just do any of those three things to go back. And then the next thing is I'm not sure, I'm going to just call it the app drawer. How to just organize all your apps, which is just how a lot of apps just installed because I just set this watch up. I just choked. Oof, I'm okay. So you're just going to, oh wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah, okay, so to customize it, you're just going to press and hold on the app icon that you want, and then it's kind of finicky, so you just kind of like drag wherever you want it to be. So let's say we're going to want to put it there, so I can put it there, and you can also add things to a folder, or you can press and hold, and then take things out of the folder. And then you can also change the color of the folder just by scrolling through the different colors, and you can also add a name to it. And you can just do it. I usually like to have it kind of, as you can see, kind of just messed it up, but like kind of color coordinated. But yeah, that just messed everything up. So I'm going to have to go ahead and redo it. And then the last thing before I move to how to customize this watch on your phone is how to customize the, quick settings. That's just what I'm going to call it. So to add more, you would press this little plus icon once you scrolled all the way to the back. But since I can't add anymore, I can only take away stuff. So to move something, you could press and hold on it. Oh, never mind. Scratch that. Forget I ever said that. Okay, press on the plus to edit. And then you can press on this and then drag it to the bottom or to the corner, or move the Wi-Fi to the corner. As you can see, you can just drag it wherever you want it to be. You can scroll throughout the pages to see like if you want that there, just to make sure everything's okay. And just to save it, just press the back button and you will just go to the quick settings as you customized it. So that is how you set it up on the watch. And then the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to do it on your phone. So here I got the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let me probably zoom out for this one. Okay, I'm going to be using the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So the way I'm just going to get it started. So, okay. If you see this icon when you're customizing your watch, when you see this icon, it says edit on phone. I'll show you what it does, but you'll see it throughout the whole editing thing. So edit on phone. I don't know if you see it on the app drawer if you're editing. No. This, I feel like you don't. But yeah, so whenever you want to edit it on your phone, just hit edit on phone and then pick up your phone. It should turn on. Probably not because it's the cover screen, so I'm just going to put you back here. If I can get you to stand still. Well, whatever. Okay. And then put in your password or just fingerprint. And then you instantly be greeted with this menu where you can see, for instance, since I tapped on the, to like do the tiles, like customize it and just rearrange them, I will see this area. And again, you just press and hold it. And then wherever you see that circle, that's where it's going to be. And you can go through all these. And it's just honestly a lot nicer to edit it on your phone. Because you can see, like, you know, everything like so much bigger, and it's just kind of easier to maneuver. So as you can see, Galaxy Watch 6. So I'm going to go watch faces, and then, let's see, new giant number. As you can see, my watch just reacted. And then I'm going to do background black. So it's kind of similar concept. You can just scroll and then pick whichever one you want to edit. Color, I'm going to do this one because it has snow falling, and that's just awesome because I love the snow in Christmas season. You can customize the different hand colors. So I'm going to do kind of turquoise because that's like my favorite color, like that mint green. Battery, always have to have the battery percentage. And I've been really trying to work on my sleep, as you can see. The thing is not good, but no, that was just because, you know, like I said, to play. But I've been really liking Samsung sleep coaching, so I'm just going to hit save. And as you can see, it is instantly saved onto my Galaxy Watch 6. So it's just a super seamless, like, editing process. And you can do the same thing with the quick settings, or quick panel, okay. The app screens, is that what they're calling it? App screen, okay. I already did the tiles, and you can do just a bunch more things, and this is the Galaxy Wearables app. I'll leave a link down to it, in the notifications, in the description down below, and even in the pinned comment, so you can just fill around with a bunch of stuff. This is also, where you're going to be finding your software updates for your watch. So to find that, you're going to go into watch settings, scroll down to watch software update, and then for some reason I have no signal here, so I cannot download and or install anything, or check for an update. So yep, that is how you customize a Galaxy Watch 6, a Galaxy Watch 6, a Galaxy Watch running like One UI 5 watch, but it'll just be the same throughout like all of the smartwatches that Samsung makes that's running that, and even like watchOS 4 or One UI Watch 4, whatever it's called, will be the same. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I am also going to leave a video linked right here, somewhere here, on how to just completely like get the most out of your Galaxy Watch and just how to use it. So like I said, that video will be somewhere here. And if you want more content on the Galaxy Watch 6 or the Galaxy Z Flip 5, S23 Ultra, even some iPhone products, consider subscribing, and I will catch you in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. See you then.